Audi has seamlessly integrated electrification with off-road capabilities in the RS Q E-Tron, initially designed for the Dakar Rally, where it secured 4 stage wins in 2022. Capitalizing on the success, the German luxury brand is now introducing a special edition of the Q8 E-Tron, which incorporates a subtle off-road treatment. In contrast to Mercedes, who is still in the process of unveiling an electric G-Class, Audi is enhancing the Q8 E-Tron with a factory lift kit. Equipped with General Grabber AT3 all-terrain tires, the off-road variant boasts an additional 1.2 inches of ground clearance compared to the standard model. The Q8 E-Tron can reach a maximum ground clearance of 8.1 inches, which adjusts based on speed. Notably, the vehicle automatically lowers itself by increments of 0.59 inches at 53 miles per hour, 0.66 inches at 62 miles per hour, and 0.51 inches at 75 miles per hour. Engineers at Audi have fine-tuned the air suspension for off-road driving, and the SUV can wade through water with a maximum depth of 11.8 inches. The Q8 E-Tron Edition Dakar features a 20-degree approach angle and a 26-degree departure angle, suitable for tackling light off-road terrain. The ramp angle, indicating the maximum angle the vehicle can traverse without the underbody touching the ramp's edge, is set at 19 degrees. Beyond the functional enhancements, the Audi Q8 E-Tron Edition Dakar offers an optional decal package inspired by the RS Q E-Tron. Limited to 99 units, all models feature Mythos black paint combined with a partially transparent wrap on specific body surfaces. Alternatively, customers can opt for magnetic gray, cyan beige, or Mythos black. The SUV can also be equipped with a light bar in the grille, and the roof rack, supporting up to 88 pounds, comes standard. Priced at $131,000 USD in Germany, Audi will start accepting orders for this model in the first quarter of the year. As an added value, a complete set of summer tires is included with the purchase.